Escuta o peso do meu som, envolve a moçada, o Fred e Gustavo, é tudo de bom. Olha pro lado e veja a galera beijando, fervendo, ficando, querendo se pegar. Do outro lado a galera tá bebendo, na boca do litro querendo se embriagar. É liberado beber vinho, é liberado beijar vinho. Mas aqui dentro pode tudo, pode se pegar. É liberado beber vinho, é liberado beijar vinho. Mas aqui dentro pode tudo, só não pode se apegar.
What's up everybody, welcome to my channel, The Comedic Dancer. My name is Artyom and this is tutorial about Samba, level 2. If you didn't see previous part, it's gonna be somewhere right here in the corner. Previous part, Samba tutorial, level 1. I think I'm talking too long. Let's start. Alright, so first camera which is filming my whole body, working. Second camera which is filming only my legs, I hope working. And third camera which is filming my back is working. We're ready to start. First movement looks like this. What we're gonna do is just Samba basic action. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left leg is stepping sideways and right now right leg is going across forward. Again. 5, 6, 7. Step across forward. After this again step sideways and across forward. Step sideways and across forward. We're just gonna do it 4 times. And after this, it's gonna be whisk. By the way, about whisk, we did talk on the previous video as well, so I just would really recommend you to watch this video. It's gonna be easier for you. Whisk, we're starting from leg, sideways. 1, across back, across forward. Again, another way. 1, across back, across forward. Let's just do this whisk a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, and second move looks like this. So we finished in this position. Right now, after the whisk, we will do step sideways with our right leg and left leg as huge as possible step forward. Boom! No, not that huge, wait. Boom! After this, heel, ball, heel, step. Remember it? It's gonna be right leg. Heel, ball, heel, step. The same thing, but another leg. Ball, heel, ball, and across forward. Let's do it after the whisk. Again. 1, 2. Step sideways, forward. Heel, ball, heel, step, ball, heel, ball, across forward. It's not it. Be a little bit more patient, yes. I know you really want to finish right now, but no, not right now, not this second, okay? But I promise you, if you will watch this video until the end, you will be able to make this routine as best as possible your way. So, across forward. Right now, our right leg is gonna look sideways. We're gonna do little step sideways, 2. All right? If our right leg is looking sideways, it means that our right arm is looking forward. Left arm is just backwards. After this, when we're doing a cross, our arms they're connected and left leg is going sideways. All right? So let's talk about arm design again. If our right leg is looking sideways, our right arm is looking forward, left backwards. After this, when we're doing a cross forward, we're collecting our arms. And after this, left leg sideways, left arm forward, right arm backwards. I hope you did hear it, right? It's just police. I hope they're not gonna come to you. FBI, open up! So, I need you to understand. If you didn't understand something, just swipe this video so you will understand, because if I'm not letting you know so you will understand it, I don't understand, it means we are not understanding together. But if we're understanding together, it means just beautiful dance. I am the translator, and what he meant is if you didn't understand something, you just swipe this video a little bit backwards so you will make sure you understand every step. Thank you so much, appreciate it. You're welcome. Let's go again from movement after whisk. 7, step sideways, forward. Heel, ball, heel, step back. Ball, heel, ball, across, forward, right leg sideways, right arm forward. Across and again. Next movement looks like this. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna collect our legs, all right? Collect, switch, and right leg is gonna go backwards. 2. This move called stationary samba walk. By the way, about this move as well, we did talk on the previous video. It's just little tips for you. Stationary samba walk, right leg backwards, after collect, switch, and left leg backwards. All right? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we're gonna do slow run. It's gonna be just 1 slow mo run. After this, 2 more, gonna be faster. 3, 4. Stopping on our left leg. All right? After this again, collect your legs and left leg looking sidewards, left arm looking forward. After this, we're not gonna do a cross forward, no. We're just gonna collect our legs and the same as we did in the beginning. All right? Let's walk through this again. Slow-mo. Slow-mo. Run, run. Collect. Left leg, collect. Right leg. The last move which we're gonna do for today, and after we're just stopping. Looks like this. We finished in this position. Right now, our leg is looking sideways. That's why we're just gonna transfer our weight on this right leg. It's gonna be 1, whisk, 2, 3, 4. We already did whisk at the beginning, right? So again, whisk 1, 2, 3, 4. And the easiest thing which you can do is just rocks. Rocks with your hips. Right leg sideways. And rocks. So our hips, they're just moving like an 8. Right hip forward, around. Left hip forward, around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Collect your legs and just go behind the camera. Alright guys, I really hope you did enjoy this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and press like button because I did work hard on this routine. I did my best to try to explain you the best way I can, if you understand what I mean. Go ahead and subscribe. This is just red button and make it red. And last thing which you can do is just comment this video. I need your feedback, I need your advices. Just let me know what is in your mind right now. Alright guys, it was Artyom. Stay tuned. Love you. Kiss you. Bye.